Talk about unique. Little escort wagon. That's different for sure. This thing looks awesome too. Nice gray on black. I really like this Mustang blue and the black. I think the wheels match it really nice well. The wheels poke out just enough. That's really sick. It's a classic 60s Mustang, square top. GT500. Always nice. Jack Roush Mustang right next to that. I mean, we got a lot of cars here. I mean, as you can see, like, I mean, I'll pan around. Look at this. There are so many. So many. I can park all the way over there, too. Obviously, I'm not going to have enough battery to really get everything on video, but we'll try to pick a handful of cars that that looks really cool, at least to me. Of course, you guys may disagree, but I don't know. We'll try to find some stuff. It's a cool little Mustang right here. The nice blue on white. Looks really cool. Right next to another modified Mustang. Got the splitter on it. Got the not like big wheels, but or big tires, I'd say. But it's got world racing wheels on it. Looks really cool. We guys came across Shelby with orange on blue. It's different.
I saw one over there is orange and white, but this one
reminds me of the old Le Mans color mix.
Oh yeah.
The old GT40s.
reminds me of a Mustang. Because they would look like that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. But yeah, that is a different color combination what we're used to. Oh, let me guys in the comments if you like that. I really like that one. I'll say I like that one because I mean, I just like it. Alright, so I may have met my doom, guys. He's gonna eat me. He's gonna bite me. I want to get bitten. $351 this time. You want that vibe style that I love so much. That is so cool. This one's interesting. It's a Celine Ford truck. Next to that is, I'm telling you, this orange looks really good on these cars. I don't know what it is, but use orange. That orange just makes the car just really pop. This one's got a different kind of front end to it. Not sure what it's from. Got a classic one. Looks like a race car of some kind. It's got the interior stripped out. Boss 302 engine. Nice. Here's another one of these Mustangs. Looks like it's built for the Ultimate Streetcar Challenge. It's got a big splitter on it. Looks like it's got the GT500 wing on it. See interior. I would love to build a car for something like that, for a challenge like that. Kind of just learn, get on a road course, learn how to drive it. Here's the GT500. I think it's a wide body. Looks like the fenders are kind of like molded into it a little bit. But I mean, you can tell easily that it's a lot wider than what a standard GT500 looks like, because I mean, you can tell it's pretty wide. That's cool though, nonetheless. And of course, you got a Power Stroke Ford. Kind of mix it up, a little bit different. Not like much of a truck person, but I mean, I like trucks that are not like lifted up too high. But probably not gonna get a truck anytime soon, mainly because trucks are legitimately the most expensive things ever right now. It's crazy on how expensive they are. We got to come over here to kind of show the Shelby Cobra off, the gray on black. Looks really nice. We're going to really clean off the car. Coyote GT 5.0, what it said on the front. It looks really nice nonetheless. That they showed off, I think last year, I believe. I mean, I do like the front end better than the facelifted version, in my opinion. But I know, I think it's about $5,000-$10,000 more than like a standard Mustang. But it looks really nice. The blue one looks really good. Yeah, really cool. If you like flames, this guy's got you. All the flames you need. Yeah, it's got a pretty cool little yellow Mustang. That's cool. Speaking of cool Roush Mustangs, the white on this one and the orange on this one, oh, looks amazing. Yeah, the funny thing about the facelifted Mustangs, the new ones, is that it took me a while to get used to them. Same thing with the, just really the entirety of the S550 chassis in general. It took me a while to get used to it. Once I finally kind of got around, seen them a lot more, that kind of stuff, it really kind of grew on me. So definitely for me, I think my favorite Mustangs are definitely the new ones. The S550 chassis I've heard are really solid on them. So that's kind of one of my goals, is to own a S550 chassis Mustang. Whether it be a GT, Mach 1, 350, 500, whatever. I'm not going to say I'm going to own a 500, 350, because those will make my bank account pretty much explode and not exist anymore, but let's own one one day. Okay, so I think there's something going on back there, and I would like to really want to look at it. But I believe there's some dyno testing or something going on back there, so I want to head over there and check it out. I had to record this one because it's another R2R Mustang. Again, I love the aftermarket stuff they put on these vehicles. It looks really nice. Also, for those who like Marilyn Monroe, but there you go. She's riding along with this Mustang, and it's a pretty good Mustang to ride along with. There's two gray Mustangs over here that look really, really nice. 66 Resto mod on this one. And then you got a 2013 or 14. It looks like it's another R2R Mustang, at least according to what the badging says. is nice. That is so sick. And then we got another lovely white on black GT500. My goodness, there are a lot of nice cars out here today. Here's one that's, I don't think I've recorded yet. It's a Shelby GT. I don't know much about those in particular, but I think it's one of the rare, models, I believe. Here's a fancy smancy colored Mustang right here. Wait, we got a lot of good looking cars today. Look at this. Look how wide this thing is.
You really have a paper sign on here go, yeah, it done blowed up.
It donated. But I told him, well, I get donated behind you.
Yeah.
I told him, I said, we need
It reminds me of the Long Get Junior's RTR
They've done
Mustang.
that before.
The 69 with the wide
They've done that
green
before.
wheels. That one's got a good resemblance of that. So that is pretty cool. It happened to caught my eye when I was heading back over there. Also, we got constables. So, but over here, it looks like we have some dyno testing. So I'm definitely getting some footage of that. Guys, I'm losing my mind. I found an RTR wide body Mustang. I've seen a few RTR Mustangs, but never a wide body before. This looks incredible. That is awesome. I'm in love. I think I'm gonna hug this car. I'm not gonna hug it, but I want to. Wow, it looks so sick. That is amazing. Alright, so dyno is not started yet. Actually, I think it may be about to. Yeah, it's about to, but I figured I'd get some Mach 1 real quick before I head back over there. So, probably got a good video of the Mach 1, but I'm gonna run back try to get the dyno. If you guys don't think dynos are a big deal, look at everybody here. We're all trying to get a piece of the action. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for me today. Saw a lot of great vehicles, but I think easily my favorite one of the show that I've seen so far is this beautiful RTR wide body Mustang. I've not seen a wide body yet, and the color combination, everything on this car just looks beautiful. So, I say this is my favorite. Let me guys know what your favorite Mustang here today was. If you guys were maybe in the show and I didn't see a video or whatever of your guys' Mustang, just let me know what your favorite Mustang was in the show. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, hit the like button, hit subscribe, comment on the video. Wow. But take care, God bless, and until the next time I make another video, y'all take it easy.